Self-care and well-being. Self-care is not a luxury. It is the daily maintenance of the body and mind that lets you cope with life. The four foundations. Sleep, 7 to 9 hours for most adults. Keep a consistent rhythm. Reduce screens 60 minutes before bed. Nutrition, balanced meals, hydration, limit caffeine after midday, eat regularly. Exercise, 150 minutes moderate activity weekly. NHS, walking counts. Movement is medicine for mood. Social connection, one meaningful interaction a day. The 5 ways to well-being. NHS, new economics. Foundation, connect with people. Be active. Take notice mindfulness. Keep learning. Give small acts of kindness. Warning signs, you're undercaring for yourself. Snapping at small things. Skipping meals or relying on takeaways. Doom scrolling late at night. Canceling everything social. Try this. Create a weekly self-care plan with 1 item from each foundation and 1 from the 5 ways. Keep it small and realistic, done beats perfect.